Hello, what's up, guys? Hello. Can you guys turn on your cameras and your mics? You guys can talk to me.
मैं सिर्फ थोड़ी देर के लिए कैमरा ऑन कर रहा हूँ। मैं बंद करने वाला हूँ। मैं सुन रहा हूँ, ठीक है? मैं सेशन में हूँ।
लेकिन क्यों?
of being early.
मैं थोड़ा काम कर रहा हूँ यार, ठीक है? इसीलिए
अच्छा, ठीक
सुन
है।
रहा हूँ, बट मैं सुन रहा हूँ, ठीक है?
हाँ
अपन
हाँ,
बाद में बात करेंगे।
ठीक है, डन 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 डन. Hi Sanjana, how are you? Hi Ashi.
Hi, Virali ma'am.
Hi, how are you guys? How is everyone?
All good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing very well. Thank you. कैसा लगा मेडिटेशन किया था आप लोगों ने?
Yes, ma'am, किया था।
कैसा लगा था?
हाँ, मतलब एक एनर्जी सा फील हुआ एक एनर्जी सा मतलब।
ओके, चलो चलो, बहुत सही, बहुत सही, बहुत बढ़िया. ओके, मेरे को थोड़ा सा 1-2 मिनट दे दो, सो आई कैन जस्ट लाइक प्रिपेयर. गिव मी 2 मिनट.
ओके ओके।
ओके, cool, cool, cool. So, hello everybody, what is up? क्या हो रहा है?
आएंगे सब लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में।
I know, वही होने वाला है. I just like to come early and just talk to people because
बोनस होता है, बोनस।
bonus exactly वो जो connection होता है ना, that is very different. So I just want to come on early and talk to people. How was your session, Manoj, on Saturday?
लवली लवली,
Lovely.
ग्रेट, मजा ही आ गया।
बहुत से यार, good, good, good. Hi, Lavish.
उमेश से मैं तो रिकॉर्डिंग मांगने वाला हूँ।
हाँ यार, मेरा भी रिकॉर्डिंग रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. ठीक है, चलो अच्छा.
हाँ, चालू है। मेरा भी ध्यान वहीं पे गया।
हाँ, मैं वही देख रही थी. अरे चालू तो किया ना, चालू है ना पक्का. Guys, are you excited? I'm very excited for this session. I look very drained today, yaar. I have been up since 5 in the morning. I've just been working all day और कल भी मेरा पूरा दिन ऐसे ही जाने वाला है. I'm just going to be working all day tomorrow shoot से. Thank you, Mosam. That's so sweet of you. Thank you. How was your weekend? क्या किया weekend पे? You can put it in the chat box. You can unmute your mic. You can talk. It's fine. क्या किया weekend पे? थोड़ा wait करते for people to come.
जलसा।
तू जलसा. What did you do?
एक है ना, एक पता नहीं, एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड है मेरा, वो आत्मनिर्भर ऑगस्ट चलाता है, तो मतलब पूरे दिन उसी में निकल गया मेरा तो।
I think सबका उसी में ही निकल रहा है अभी.
सच्ची में यार, सिर्फ 3 घंटे बोलने के उसमें सबके बोनस हो जाते हैं, मतलब आधे आधे घंटे, एक एक घंटे ऐसे चल जाता है।
हाँ.
तो पूरा दिन निकल जाता है, फिर खाने पीने का, सो जाने का, मजा।
I swear, I swear. Oh, that's so awesome. You went for dinner with your family, Ruhina. And hi, Namita. Okay, great, great. 10 people so far. और आ जाओ, जल्दी आ जाओ सब.
Hey ma'am, Lavish here.
Hi, Lavish. How are you?
Ma'am, I am good. How are you ma'am?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How was your weekend?
मैम अच्छा था,
अच्छा था.
बस ठीक था, घर पर ही रहते हैं पूरे दिन।
Sorry?
पूरे दिन घर पर ही रहते हैं।
हाँ, वो भी तो है. But productivity तो हो रही है, hopefully.
हाँ मैम, पीजी की प्रिपरेशन चल रही है।
चलो चलो, very good. All the best to you.
थैंक यू मैम। आपने वो बोला था एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है,
हाँ,
तो मैम वो पूछना चाहता हूँ।
अभी
हाँ मैम अभी।
आप पूछिए।
मैम लाइक मैम कोई पर्सन है, उससे
हम्म।
आपकी इस बिल्कुल नहीं बनती है,
हम्म।
मतलब आप जानते हो कि आप भी उसको बहुत प्यार करते हो, वो भी आपसे बहुत प्यार करता है,
हम्म।
पर है ना वो बनती नहीं है दोनों के बीच में कभी भी।
हाँ,
तो कैसे इंटरेक्ट किया जाए?
दोनों के बीच में बिल्कुल बनती नहीं है, और उसमें
कभी नहीं बनती, बनती ही नहीं है। और वो आपके लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहा है, आप भी उसके लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, पर कभी बनती नहीं है।
वो थोड़ा सा ना, लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेंटालिटी में थोड़ी सी इश्यू होगी। सो इट्स लाइक ऐसा होता है, when you are talking to someone and you are not trying to understand from their point of view, तभी अनबन होती है,
तो
तभी अनबन।
लेकिन उनको भी तो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू समझना चाहिए ना, वो भी नहीं समझ रहे, मैं भी समझ रहा हूँ।
हाँ, तो इट गोज बोथ वेज ना, अकेली आपकी गलती नहीं है, फिर अकेली उनकी भी गलती नहीं है ना। तो
हाँ
दोनों को, both of them need to put the effort in and try to understand each other. That is very important.
ओके
तो वो
मैम।
आराम से अगर बैठ के बात करेंगे, लाइक प्रॉमिसिंग दैट हाँ हम झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, वी विल ट्राई टू।
झगड़ा तो होना ही है अगर साथ में बैठ के बात करेंगे तो।
सॉरी
मैम झगड़ा तो होना ही है अगर साथ में बैठ के बात किया तो। ये तो हमेशा का रूल है।
यार, तो फिर आप क्यों पढ़ रहे हो उसमें?
मैम नहीं पढ़ेंगे तो काम नहीं बनेगा फिर।
अरे यार देखो, आपको समझना नहीं है, अब दोनों को समझना नहीं है, बात फिर भी करनी है, और झगड़ा भी करना है, ये कैसे चलेगा?
मैम पता नहीं।
सॉरी।
मैम पता नहीं, तभी तो पूछा।
तो मैंने इसलिए तो तभी तो बताया हमको कि आप दोनों को आराम से शांति से बैठो, बिना झगड़ा किए हुए।
ओके मैम।
वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो आप ट्राई करो, तो शायद से हेल्प करे। बट यू नीड टू सिट टुगेदर विदाउट आर्ग्यूइंग एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर्स व्यू। वो जब पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू समझ आएगा, तभी ना झगड़ा नहीं होगा।
ओके मैम।
अब ट्राई कीजिए, होपफुली दैट वर्क्स, बिकॉज यूजुअली ऐसे ही कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन होता है, when you sit together and you try to talk to each other without fighting, trying to understand from each other's point of view.
थैंक यू मैम।
You're welcome, you're so welcome. I hope it helps. अब try करके बताइए मुझे please.
ओके मैम। मैं करूंगा, अभी तो है नहीं वो यहाँ पर।
कोई
बात
नहीं,
करूंगा।
कोई नहीं, try कीजिए. Okay, let me just send a quick message in the group कि कहाँ पे हो सब लोग, and we shall get started in about 5 minutes. Is that cool? Okay, 21 people. Hello, everybody. 22 people. Great. Okay, guys, just waiting for a couple of more people to come. I'll start in 5 minutes. Until then, uh, let's play an icebreaker game. Does that sound good? Thumbs up, यार, कुछ तो interact ही नहीं करते हो यार. हाँ, thumbs up दिखाओ मुझे. Okay, great, cool. Thumbs up. Okay. So an ice-breaking game. Okay. What is your favorite food and why? You can type it, you can unmute yourself, and you can tell me whatever you want. Go for it. भिंडी की सब्जी, I love भिंडी की सब्जी. Non-veg काफी से. और पिज्जा, डोसा, और yeah, pizza is an emotion actually. Yeah, ever since I've gone keto now, thanks to Umesh sir, like I've been missing pizza so much. हाँ, मम्मी के हाथ का खाना है तो सबसे बेस्ट. Hi, Prishita. I'm so bad with names. I'm good. I hope you're doing well as well. Chili paneer, yeah, chili paneer is amazing. क्यों याद दिला रहे हो? अभी पता है, I need to eat also. Okay. Okay, I've muted everyone. You can easily unmute yourself. But for this session now, please keep yourself muted unless I address you, or unless you have something to say that is like really needed and you just need to say it. Like, please keep yourself muted for this. And for this session, I would request you, if you guys are okay with it, please turn on your camera, because I feel it's really important for me to view your faces and kind of address my talk in that way. It just kind of helps me out. यार आलू के पराठे, यार कीटो पे हूँ मैं, क्यों जला रहे हो? गलत सवाल पूछा मैंने. मेरी गलती, मेरी गलती. क्यों किया मैंने ये? इट्स ओके, आप लोग मेरे लिए खा लेना प्लीज. आलू के पराठे एंड ऑल बड़े जला रहे हो. Cool. So we have 40 people in the house. We'll give it another 2 more minutes and then we'll start. And I'm going to start off with a disclaimer today. One sec. Okay. Cool. So I'm going to start off with a disclaimer today saying that ये जो talk है, this talk today could be a bit triggering. Okay, it could be a bit triggering, and I'm just gonna say that it has to deal with abuse, mental abuse, physical abuse, just abuse in general. So this is a trigger warning for all of you guys. If you are uncomfortable with these topics, then I would highly suggest that if you are not comfortable, you are welcome to leave. I totally understand it and it's totally cool. This is a personal story. This is my story. And I just thought if we're talking about self-love, this is something that's going to be important for me to share. And chalo, shuru karte hain. So yeah, thank you guys. You guys are privately messaging me. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start back. This is the year 2010, and this is when I first started exploring relationships. I became disabled at the age of 14 or 14, 15, 2006. Shifted to India in 2008. I had no friends for about 2 years, zero friends. And eventually I met this guy through a friend of mine and we got into a relationship. And मतलब ये बंदा ना मुझे बहुत पटाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. And I was like, hi, कोई तो मुझे भाव दे रहा है, मैं तो हवे में उड़ रही हूँ. And I was like very happy and everything. And I was 17 years old. 2000, no, not 2010. 2010, I was 19 years old. I was 19 years old and I jumped into a relationship unknowingly without even thinking anything through. And at that point of time, na, this guy, he was very nice to me. He was very sweet to me, बहुत caring था, everything was there. And then suddenly ना उसका behavior ऐसे change हो गया, like with the snap of a finger. He just started tormenting me regarding my disability. He started saying things like, you know, I am worthless, that due to my disability, no one will ever love me. And मेरे साथ जो भी हो रहा है, I deserve it. And मतलब मुझे mentally बहुत बहुत उसने अब्यूज किया है, बहुत मुझे टॉर्चर किया है. एंड ही इज लाइक, यू नो, मेरे अलावा तेरे लिए है कौन, लाइक हु विल केयर फॉर यू द वे दैट आई केयर फॉर यू. लाइक मैं तुझे उठाता हूँ, लाइक यू यूज्ड टू हेल्प मी because at that point of time upper body strength was not there, to be honest. Like upper body strength was not there, so he used to like lift me up, पैर से like उठा लेता था, and he would help me in the car and stuff like that. And I didn't have any friends, so I relied on him that अच्छा चलो कोई नहीं, okay guys, please mute कर लो, I am muting everyone again, and don't unmute yourself, please, I really request you. I didn't have any friends, right? कोई दोस्त नहीं थे मेरे, और उसके जरिए मुझे दोस्त मिल रहे थे. I used to go out, I used to party with his friends and everything. और वो ना थोड़े टाइम के लिए मैं बहुत खुश थी. Like it would make me really happy because I was having a social life after 4 years. 4 साल के बाद social life, यार मतलब पार्टी करने जा रही हूँ मैं. I'm going out to restaurants to eat with these people. And he would treat me so nicely in front of his friends. But then ऐसा भी होता था, like he used to drink a lot, so he used to hit me. वो मुझे मारता भी था. He used to abuse me. And I always thought that, you know, I don't deserve this. I should leave this relationship. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है मुझे रहने के लिए. And then I would have that conflict कि यार अगर मैं इसको छोड़ दिया मैंने, तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं रहेंगे. आई विल लूज ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. ये जो सोशल लाइफ मुझे मिली है, आई विल लूज दैट. what will I do in that situation? And I decided that I will just go along with it because 19 years की थी, friends नहीं थे, social life नहीं थी. Call it selfish if you want, maybe, yeah, it could be, definitely. Call it what it is. So I stuck to it. I stuck with the abuse. I stuck with the torture. And I never told anyone. मैं चुप रही. And मैं अंदर ही मतलब खुद में ही घुट घुट के मैं मर रही थी. And eventually I went back to the US to visit my father. मेरी birthday आ रही थी. This was 2 years later. Stayed with him for 2 years. Abusive relationship, toxic relationship. I stayed with him. And 2 years later, मेरे birthday के दिन पे अमेरिका में ये बंदा मुझे flowers भेज रहा है. He's sending me gifts. And I'm getting happy, but then at the same time ना मुझे कुछ fishy लग रहा है. दाल में कुछ काला है. मुझे ऐसी vibe आने लगी. And I started to talk to him. And he's like, oh, how was your birthday? Crap like that, right? And then eventually, मतलब इतना sweet बन रहा था, इतना like fake sweet बन रहा था, that I was like, यार कुछ तो है. He's not telling me, but कुछ तो है. And ultimately, he told me what he did. You guys will not believe this. मतलब मैं I just want to see your expression. मतलब 5 मिनट के लिए, if you guys are okay with it, कैमरा चालू कर लो. I just want to see your expression. 5 minutes फिर बंद कर दो, मैं नहीं कुछ बोलूँगी. You can, if you're willing to turn your cameras on. Okay, cool. Do you know what this guy did? He cheated on me with his मुंह बोली बहन. Yeah, his मुंह बोली बहन. ये बंदी ना उसको राखी बांधती थी. legit मेरे सामने उसको राखी बांधती थी। क्रीप फीलिंग ना, मतलब गंदी सी इक्की सी फीलिंग आ रही है ना, राइट? बहुत गंदी वाली। या सो आई वाज लाइक, मतलब मेरे मुंह से गाली निकली, इफ आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, और गंदी वाली गाली निकली मेरे मुंह से, exactly relating to what he did, if you guys can understand that now. मैं आगे नहीं बोलूंगी, but this is exactly what came out of my mouth, and I broke up with him right there and then. I broke up with him. Yeah, you guys can turn off your cameras, all good. I broke up with him, and he would still call me continuously, मुझे मनाने के लिए, मुझे पटाने के लिए, and I was just adamant. I was just like कि मतलब भाई बस हो गया, नहीं चाहिए मुझे, नहीं चाहिए। एंड आई वेंट बैक टू इंडिया, और वो घर पे आया मेरे, दारू पी के, मुझे मनाने के लिए, इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई मॉम। वो पैरों में गिर गया, वो मेरे पैरों में गिर गया, एंड ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग एंड ही started saying I'm sorry and everything. And I was like, look, I'm not gonna forgive you for this, for what you've done, like the relation, like breaking up the relationship. I'm not gonna forgive you for that, but I'm gonna count my blessings and be like, yeah, this was what I needed to get out of this relationship, to get out of this relationship. ये होना जरूरी था, ये होना बहुत जरूरी था। Also at the same time I was in this zone again कि यार मतलब friends, मतलब social life, like is it, I started having conflicting thoughts, like is it worth it? Is this mental torture, this physical abuse, emotional, जो भी abuse हो रहा है मेरे साथ, जो भी मेरे mind के साथ जो game खेली जा रही है, is it worth it to have his friends in my life? Or would I rather stay at home, not go through all of this, focus on my mental health rather, try to heal myself from this, and move on with my life? मतलब मैं क्या करूं? Do I give up that 21-year-old mentality ki nahi, party, 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 or do I become that mature person at a young age where I'm like, no, it is okay, party करने की जरूरत नहीं है, पहले खुद पे focus करो, love yourself more. And I then revealed everything to my mom. I told my mom everything, and she started crying. And उसे एक्चुअली पहले तो मेरे को एक थप्पड़ मारा, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज इंडियन मॉम्स, जय हो। मम्मी ने मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा कि पहले क्यों नहीं बताया, मतलब 2 साल तू अंदर घूट घूट के मरी है, तूने क्यों नहीं बताया मुझे, मैं पहले ही छुड़वा देती इससे, उसको मार के मैं निकाल देती घर से, why didn't you say anything? And then that is when I realized कि how important it is to talk about these things, जो अपने को difficulty face होती है, या anything, like just these issues in itself. We always want to think that we cannot share these things, but we need to remember that when it comes to our families, our parents, yes, they may be conservative, yes, they may be like old school nature, totally get that, understood, but they're your parents at the end of the day. मारेंगे, नो डाउट, एक दो थप्पड़ मार लेंगे, खा लो, बट टॉक टू देम, लाइक दैट इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट। वो जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे ना इन सब से निकलने में, वो मे बी अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प, बट वो एक अपना फीलिंग आता है that you shared it with someone you care about, someone that's close to you. That is really important. So ultimately I told her that all of this happened to me, she yelled at me, and mom ने ना मुझे वापस से अपने पास बिठाया, and she again reminded me that you need to understand that the most important person in your life is you, because ultimately jab tak, from the day that you're born until the day that you die, you are the only person that is going to be there for you till the end. कोई नहीं रहने वाला है, अपने मम्मी पापा भी है, उनकी भी एज हो रही है, they are not going to be there for you forever, and that is a bitter truth that I had to learn, bitter truth. I always thought that my mom would be around, my dad would be around. मैं पापा को मैं देख रही हूँ, my dad is turning 65, my mom passed away last year, and I'm like, bro, this is real world issues. This इसको adulting बोलते हैं. Dealing with all of this is real stuff. So it's high time now that we start depending on ourselves also. We start loving who we are as people. Because ultimately ना, मतलब I know it's a bitter truth, तो ये थोड़ा सा pessimistic हो जाता है, but अपने लिए और कोई नहीं है, अपन ही है. नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी बोलती है ना, अपन ही भगवान है. Like honestly, it's true. It's true. You are the only God for yourself. Like you are the only person there for yourself. So it's better that you accept who you are as a person. You love yourself. Everything about yourself. You have that odd pimple in the middle of your forehead. Love it. वो गेस्ट है अपने बॉडी पे, वो चले जाने वाला है थोड़ी दिन में. को अप्रिशिएट करो कि अच्छा नहीं, मैं जिंदा हूँ, मेरी स्किन चल रही है. लाइक देयर इज अ पिंपल ऑन माय फेस. Accept it, acknowledge it, love it. You know, there is this this experiment that I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. Yeah, viral ho chuka hai wo, where you are watering a plant. You're watering a plant. There are two plants. One plant ko, whenever you're watering it, you just start saying like negative things to it, and you're just being horrible and mean to it. दूसरे प्लांट को आप बहुत प्यार से उसको पानी दे रहे हो, आप उसको फर्टिलाइजर दे रहे हो, you're just talking to it, having it listen to music, you're giving that positivity back to it, right? What's happening there? जिस प्लांट को आप नेगेटिविटी दे रहे हो ना, वो मर रहा है. It is dying off. जो प्लांट को आप पॉजिटिविटी दे रहे हो, वो ग्रो हो रहा है. It's growing, it's becoming beautiful, it's giving you abundance, right? That is what's happening. So what does that mean? It is the law of attraction also in that. Like, believe it or not, whatever kind of energy you give off into the universe, वही energy आपको वापस मिलती है. ठीक है? So this relationship, ये जो relationship हुआ ना मेरे साथ, I am not saying that हाँ इसमें मेरी ही गलती है या फिर उसकी ही गलती है. I'm not saying that. What I'm trying to say is that maybe somewhere, somehow, I gave off those vibes where I was not confident with myself, where I did not love myself. मैंने गलती से मैंने वो manifest किया, and it happened to me. It happened to me, right? So when you truly love yourself, when you are truly happy with who you are, when you can literally, like, okay, lockdown, for instance, lockdown, 4 months, 4 months अब घर पे रहे हैं, no one has stepped out, no one has met their friends, कोई लोग अकेले भी रहे हैं, correct? वो 4 महीने without your friends, without your family, if you're staying alone, एक ही घर में बंद पड़े रहना कैसे लगा? How did it feel? टाइप करो कमेंट में, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, टॉक टू मी 2 minutes, बोलो मुझे हाउ डिड इट फील. You guys can unmute, you guys can talk also. इसी का वेट कर रहा था. Suffocating, it was okay. Very difficult, almost suffocating, miserable. Okay, anything else? It was a boon, depressing, it's frustrating. Starting was boring, but now we're enjoying with family. बहुत upsetting, frustrated, horrible. Okay, मतलब the consensus ये है कि काफी frustrating था, काफी difficult था, pathetic था, मतलब overwhelming था, right? मतलब this is the consensus. काफी लोग ऐसे भी हैं कि जिनको काफी अच्छा लगा, so great, hats off, loved it. You are enjoying alone, yaar, hats off to you. It had its own perks, true. Okay, great. Now think of it this way, put yourself in that same situation for 2 years. That was me. after coming to India. For 2 years, that was me. No friends, no extended family, just my mom. So you can probably understand now why I wanted friends, why I stayed in that relationship even though I shouldn't have, right? But now think of it. अभी ये लॉकडाउन 4 महीने हो गए, 4-5 महीने, whatever it was. I definitely dealt with some mental health issues. काफी fluctuating था मेरे लिए because I stay alone. I don't have family with me here. अकेली रहती हूँ, friends भी दूर रहते हैं. They stay in the city but they're far away. They can't come and see me. These 4-5 months ना majorly बहुत productive थे मेरे. And I loved it. Like I loved it. मैं खुश थी. People were wondering like how did you not go crazy? Because I enjoyed my company. मुझे खुद की company पसंद आई थी. That is why. This is the true meaning of loving yourself. खुद की company को enjoy करना and being at peace with it. Being at peace with it. And not worrying about anything, not worrying about लोग क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या फलाना ढिमकाना, whatever. It doesn't matter, यार. भाड़ में क्या वो, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is when you can spend time with yourself, not dealing with people in life, यार aces है. That moment ना, जब वो लगता है. और पता है, you know what the cherry on the cake is? And this is funny also. लॉकडाउन के एग्जैक्टली 1 महीने पहले मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ था. different experience altogether, like different experience altogether. And I'm not going to say that it was all roses and cherries and ice cream and unicorns and rainbows and stuff like that. It wasn't. It took me a little bit of time to get back into the flow of things, but I got back into it. That is the important thing, getting back into it. Life में कुछ भी होता है, it doesn't matter. Remember, अपन ही भगवान है. Get back into the flow of life. Get back into it. That is what's important. That is what matters. And that is what self-love is all about. Being at peace. Now, the reason that I gave you guys this specific meditation to do, I got a lot of messages from you guys about how it affected you. And the popular the popular thought, the popular emotion behind this was क्या feeling हुआ? Peacefulness मुझे महसूस हुआ. This is the message that I got from almost everyone that did the exercise. And that is what I wanted you guys to experience. That peace, that inner peace. वो जो inner peace है ना, being totally content, being satisfied with what's going on, without worrying about things. And even if you are worrying, you are still content. You are still at peace. This is what I wanted you guys to experience. और जिन लोगों ने experience किया है, they were just like, यार पूरा दिन हमारा बन गया. This is why it's important to love yourself. Now let's talk about saying no. ये भी आया था हमारे ग्रुप में. We discussed this, the importance of saying no. Correct? पहले let's talk about this. How many of you know what is the meaning of self-love? What is the meaning of self-love? Type karo. Unmute yourself, whatever, it's fine. Okay. Lots of comments. मैं खुद की फेवरेट हूँ. हाँ, जब भी मेडल अप करीना इन दैट. फर्क नहीं पड़ता चल क्या रहा है. Accept yourself, your body, the nature, the way it is, being content, being at peace with yourself. अपना favorite होना, to take care of our health, to accept yourself the way you are and still loving yourself unconditionally, putting yourself first, love yourself as you are, prioritizing yourself more than others. Correct, correct. So everyone has their own definition of self-love, and that's perfectly fine. That is perfectly fine. There are no wrong answers in this. For me, self-love is putting my needs above others in terms of इसमें भी थोड़ा सा conflicting issue है. When it comes to putting yourself in front of others, what I mean by is जिन लोग से ना आपको कोई growth नहीं हो रहा है, you are not growing with those people are not adding any value to your life. Putting yourself in front of others is what I mean by that. If it's your parents or if it's someone that you really care about or they really care about you and they really need your help and then you put yourself above them, now like that is a shitty move to do. That is a shitty move. Like, let's be honest, that's a shitty move to do. Instead, it's like weighing out your options and determining कि ये बंदे से मेरे life में क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है. Is this needed? Is this what is making me happy? This is what's important. Now, when it comes to saying no, okay, how many of you are people pleasers? Raise your hand. How many of you are people pleasers? Just wanting to please people, like, yeah, करो करो, हाथ ऊपर, सबके हाथ ऊपर आने वाला है अभी. Raise करो. Great, great. I am the number one people pleaser here. Number one. ठीक है, मुझे किसी को ना बोलना ना मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. Like I feel like अंदर से मेरी आत्मा मर रही है अगर मैं किसी को ना बोलती हूँ तो. Like legitimately I feel so like suffocated and I'm like, ना मैं कैसे बोलूँ ना यार, उसको बुरा लगेगा, क्या होगा यार, he's gonna think so many different things about me, like it's so conflicted यार, my life is so, yeah, this is how I feel. Like this is my internal monologue जो चालू हो जाता है. But then this is the thing, when it comes to your needs, like, okay, for instance, a couple of weeks ago, I had an interview जहाँ पे I needed to be, 1 second, technical difficulty with my leg. It started vibrating and it stopped. And it happens. It's okay. वो normal है मेरे लिए. वो चालू हो जाता है कभी कभी. So a couple of weeks back, my mental health was not well. I just did not want to get out of bed. I was just like, ये दुनिया ऐसी, ये दुनिया वैसी, वो थोड़ा demotivating mood में चली गई थी मैं. And I'm like, I know it's a phase. I know सब ठीक होने वाला है. This is just a phase of me needing to crib for like 2 minutes just to make myself feel better. So I did that. And I had an engagement that day. I was supposed to do an Instagram live. ठीक है, मेरे को मन नहीं था, ऑनेस्टली मेरे को मन नहीं था. आई डिड नॉट वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज अगर आप ऐसे घटिया मूड में हो ना, then putting a smile on your face and trying to be that happy go lucky person is very difficult for me. Like मेरे emotions मेरे face पे ही आ जाते हैं. You can tell right away. The people who know me well can tell right away. And I didn't want to do that. I feel it's really wrong. So मैंने उनको मना कर दिया कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And I was feeling very bad. But then I remembered one thing. मेरे को एक बात याद आ गई. My mental health before anything else. Myself before anything else. अगर मैं खुद ही खुश नहीं हूँ और अगर मुझे कुछ चीज़ है या कुछ सिचुएशन है या फिर कोई पर्सन है जिनके वजह से मुझे एक अलग सी वाइब आ रही है, एक अलग सी फीलिंग आ रही है, and I'm not feeling good about this situation, ना बोल दो. Say no. It is totally okay to say no. You do not need to say yes to everything. Not at all. ना बोलना सीखो. ना बोलना बहुत जरूरी है. That those 2 letters na, no, let it be on the tip of your tongue. Legitimately, let it be on the tip of your tongue. Weigh out your options before you say yes to something, whether it be any kind of engagement, whether it be an online thing, work thing, relationship, personal life, whatever. Think things through before saying yes. बहुत लोग ऐसे फंसे हैं सिर्फ हाँ बोल के. Let's be real about that. हाँ, अभी सबके चेहरे दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Everyone is laughing right now कि हाँ यार हमारे साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ है. Yeah. So learning to say no is really really important. ना बोलना सीखो अपने मम्मी पापा को भी. यार ओके, बचपन में मेरे को एक बात बताओ, ये सबके साथ हुआ. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर अगर आपको वो चाची जो फरीदाबाद से आई है, अगर आपको उनसे मिलना नहीं है, आपको उनसे बात नहीं करनी है, फिर भी मम्मा बोलेगी नहीं नहीं बेटा बात कर लो, फरीदाबाद वाली चाची है, बात कर लो, 2 मिनट बात करनी है उनसे. मम्मा आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल टॉकिंग टू हर. नहीं नहीं आजा, ऐसे आजा, इधर चप्पल मारू मैं, बात कर चुपचाप. हुआ है ना, सबके साथ हुआ है. या से नो, स्टिक टू इट, legitimately stick to it. If you're not feeling comfortable about a situation, remember your comfort is first. Your comfort comes first. You need to be in your own comfort zone. अगर आप अपने खुद के comfort zone में नहीं हो, like and I don't mean like comfort zone in the sense कि अच्छा नहीं मुझे इतने ही छोटे से खोपचे में रहने का है, नहीं ऐसा नहीं. वो थोड़ी सी मुंबई वाली भाषा आ जाती है, I'm sorry. बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. What I mean by comfort zone is like, okay, you are comfortable being here, but you're also comfortable stepping out of that comfort zone. But when you're not comfortable stepping out of it at all, you don't want to talk to that person, you don't want to be around that person, क्यों हाँ बोलना फिर? क्यों? Okay, wait, there's a question. When that person is kind of जिद्दी, देखो मेरी मॉम बहुत जिद्दी थी, बहुत ज्यादा. You know what I used to do? मैं और जिद्दी बन जाती थी. छोटी थी यार. I mean, okay, it may not be the right solution towards it. मैं छोटी थी तब, okay, but मैं और जिद्दी बन जाती थी. And I would honestly, after the whole thing would happen now, I would sit with my mom, calmly explain things to her कि मुझे क्यों uncomfortable लगा. This is the problem that I feel we as Indian society have. हम ये बातें नहीं करते. We do not talk about these things कि मुझे क्यों uncomfortable feel हो रहा है. Why I don't want to talk to this person. Why am I sticking by my side? और आप मुझे क्यों force कर रहे हो? There is something called free will, right? And everyone has that. Use it. Use your common sense. Use your common sense. बहुत ज़्यादा important है. And when it comes to self-love ना, like I know a lot of people ask me what are some tips and tricks for self-love, right? सब पूछते हैं. It's not the same formula for everyone. It's not the same formula for everyone. For some people, it can be like self-love is I'm going out on a walk in the park alone. अपने earphones डाले हुए हैं. I am listening to my favorite music. मैं बस टहल रही हूँ. I am alone. I am enjoying nature. मैं गाने सुन रही हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ. That could be practicing self-love for them. For some other people, it may be, हाँ यार, I like to take care of myself, like my skin. Like I like to do face masks and मुझे nail polish लगाना अच्छा लगता है और मुझे सजना धजना अच्छा लगता है or whatever. That is also a form of self-love. I like to read books. मुझे किताबें पढ़नी अच्छी लगती है. I am reading books. That is also another form of self-love. Self-love is also, yes, eating your favorite food, but not overdoing it, because that is, again, a problem. Self-love को ये नहीं, मतलब ये confuse नहीं करना है कि अच्छा I love myself so much that I'm just going to keep eating. No, that is also called stress eating or eating uncontrollably because there are some underlying issues which you have not tackled. That is also there. So self-love can manifest and can take form in any kind of way. It is very vague, and it is self-love to me now is meditative. लाइक आप मेडिटेशन कर रहे हो, जैसे आपको वो फील हुआ ना, वो पीस वाला फीलिंग, वो थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिविटी वाला फीलिंग जो हुआ, वो सेटिस्फाइड वाला फीलिंग, कंटेंट वाला फीलिंग, दैट फॉर मी इज सेल्फ लव. That is my definition of it. Everyone has their own definition, and you just need to find it. You need to find your own definition. And I think that is what's really important. जब आप वो find करोगे, when you find that, that is when you'll truly be happy. And I'm not joking with you about that. Like let me show you one thing. Okay. Sorry, weird angle. Deal with it. सब गिर रहा है. Don't sorry, I'm very clumsy. Now I'm reading this. Becoming by Michelle Obama. Yeah, I just started this yesterday. Legitimately, I just started this yesterday. I am reading this. Now, whenever I read books, like for instance, there's also Life's Amazing Secrets by Gaur Gopal Das, which I read. Let me be very honest, I am not into self-help books because it's not like a one size fits all kind of a deal. Nahi hota hai. People take it in different ways. Let's like be clear about that. I'm not into self-help books, but that book na, Gaur Gopal Das ka, like that changed my mentality. Like वो book मैं पढ़ रही थी ना, I could not put it down. That was meditative for me. That was that was my way of expressing self-love. कि फोन मैंने साइलेंट पे रख दिया, मैंने साइड में छोड़ दिया, सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बंद है, and I'm just reading a book with a nice cup of coffee. That for me is self-love. That is what I practice in. And that is why I really feel that, you know, मैंने last session में भी ये बोला था that no experience is a bad experience. No experience is a bad experience. जो भी मेरे साथ हुआ है मेरे लाइफ में, whatever I have gone through, the toxicity, the abusive relationship, the struggle, everything, this journey of self-love, finding self-love, being at peace with myself, or rather being Atmanirbhar, like come on, Atmanirbhar August, hashtag, let's do that. But being Atmanirbhar in that way, yes, hashtag it rapid, it just made me realize that I am happy. I am नहीं आया. I had to sneeze. नहीं आया. But it just made me realize that I am content. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. I am finding my path. And that is what life is all about. It's finding your life path, growing in that, and आगे बढ़ो. पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखना है. पीछे मुड़ के देख के आपको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. You're just gonna get pain, regret, sorrow. And those feelings, like, let's be honest, they suck, yaar. They're horrible feelings. नहीं चाहिए अपने लाइफ में positivity चाहिए. So that is why I always try to spread that positivity. I try to spread that smile and that joy to other people's faces. Because, like I said, law of attraction, right? Call me selfish. मैं जो energy spread कर रही हूँ, वही energy मुझे वापस मिल रही है. Like I am, okay, ठीक है, सबके कैमरा नहीं चालू है, but I am seeing all of these wonderful people here, right? Is that not like amazing positivity? Oh, सबने चालू भी कर दिया कैमरा. So sweet of you guys. Thank you. But is that not self-love? Like, is that not positivity? अच्छा नहीं है वो? Does that not feel good? मतलब like, come on, let's make a vow, like let's make a pact today. अच्छा 2 मिनट सब कैमरा चालू कर दो, 2 मिनट के लिए सब कैमरा चालू. फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट. ओके सबके कैमरा चालू है. 2 मिनट एंड देन यू गाइस कैन चुपोफाई अगेन. इट्स ओके. राइट हैंड ऊपर करो. सब राइट हैंड ऊपर करो और सब प्रॉमिस करो that you are going to spread positivity, you are going to spread love, you are going to spread happiness. You are not gonna talk negative crap even about yourself, even about other people. You are not gonna body shame. You are gonna love everyone the way that they are, including यहाँ पे जो पिंपल आया है, या यहाँ पे जो आया है, या weird places पे जहाँ पे आते हैं, नाक पे आया है, tip of the nose पे आया है, wherever. You are going to love every single छेद in your body. राइट हैंड ऊपर करो और मेरे को इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है सबका. ओके रेडी, स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहे मैं ये आई नीड माय टू हैंड्स, आई एम सॉरी, मेटाफोरिकली मेरा हाथ ऊपर है. स्क्रीनशॉट ले रही हूँ. कीप योर हैंड एट ऑसम. ओके द अदर स्लाइड. राइट हैंड अप, राइट हैंड अप. और स्माइल भी करो यार. ओके वन मोर लास्ट. Awesome. Okay, you guys can like tubify now in your Coke jars. Go for it. Okay, great. So, आज का भाषण समाप्त हुआ. आप प्लीज कृपया अपने सवाल डालिए. I'm very bad with Hindi. Hindi is my third language. Forgive me. Thank you. Share the name of the book, Harshita. Okay. I want you guys to interact with me. Like, okay, नहीं पता है ना, मैं अभी ना I'm gonna go against what I said और मैं ना 2 मिनट के लिए क्रिप करने वाली हूँ. सबको मैं क्रिप करने वाली हूँ. आप लोग इंटरैक्ट क्यों नहीं करते? हाँ हंसो नहीं, मुंह ना छुपाओ. इंटरैक्ट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? और सबने मेडिटेशन क्यों नहीं किया? मुझे मैसेज क्यों नहीं किया? दिस इज नॉट फेयर. मतलब प्राइज नहीं चाहिए क्या आप लोगों को? हंसो. डालो इमोजीज, डालो. आई लाइक माई नेचर टू, थैंक यू. डालो इमोजीज. हंस लो. हाँ मतलब 2 मिनट तो मैंने बोला था अटेंडेंस लेने वाली हूँ सबकी. मैंने ग्रुप में साफ बोला था. तो यू कैन नॉट गो इन क्रिब अबाउट दिस. Everyone needs to attend. Everyone needs to practice these meditations. देखो prize हो ना हो, that is a different story. The reason that I'm giving you these meditations is just so you can feel that feeling of being content with yourself, that feeling of love, that feeling of peace, that feeling of positivity, जो important है, right? This whole Atmanirbhar August, what we're doing, we're trying to make people independent regarding different skills, right? Now I understand that this may not be like a technical skill. It's not a technical skill. It's not something that you can मतलब कोड डाल दिया ब्रेन में प्रोग्राम हो गया, ऐसे वाला बात नहीं है. एल्गोरिदम व्हाटएवर आप इंजीनियर लोग ज्यादा जानते हो, मैं नहीं जानती. बट ये नहीं है, ऐसी बात नहीं है, राइट? ये मतलब दिस इज लाइक अ सोल वाली बात, ये दिल वाली बात है. एंड these things need to be practiced. These things do not just come overnight. It needs to be practiced. You need to practice these meditations. And it's not like कि चलो एक दिन कर लिया अब नहीं करना है. It's not. I want you to continue this habit. I want you to continue meditating. YouTube पे guided meditation बहुत है. You do not need to buy a subscription to anything. Don't waste your money in that. Invest your money in something that will be beneficial to you in the future in terms of maybe it's a computer, laptop, your education, whatever. That's a different story. But please meditate. It's really important. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ. And follow these meditations. प्राइज हो ना हो, हाँ लेकिन मैं एक बात तो बताऊंगी. एक तो सरप्राइज तो है. लास्ट सेशन होगा उसमें आई एम गोना गिव ऑल ऑफ यू अ टास्क, और उसमें एक बड़ी सी प्राइज है. और मैं नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. करना है करो, नहीं करना है मत करो. इट इज योर लॉस इफ यू डोंट डू इट. एक जन को एक बड़ी सी प्राइज मिलने वाली है. दिस इज ऑल आई एम गोना से. ओके. Some good YouTube channels for meditation. Yes, Jennifer, I'm going to put it out in the group. I'll put it out in the group. Jayshri, the last session. Okay, so the last session was the last session. The last session was basically. Yeah, okay, listen, I am a motivational speaker, but like I also mess up. होता है. Deal with it. आगे बढ़ो. Take it in. It's okay. It's okay. It's good to laugh at yourself. Another form of self-love. Laugh at yourself. The last session. So that was basically about my life story, how I became disabled, how I ended up here, how मैं आप सबको ये lecture दे रही हूँ basically, and trying to spread the positivity and just some life lessons that I learned from that. And I think the biggest giveaway, the biggest takeaway from that, because I remember this, मुझे 3 बार किसी ने तो पूछा था, यही ग्रुप में से 3 लोगों ने 3 बार मुझे पूछा था, ma'am, what is the 3F rule again? Can you please repeat it? How many of you remember that? How many remember that?
I remember, ma'am.
Yeah, the 3F rule.
मुझे भी याद है.
मुझे भी याद है. So the 3F rule. If they're not feeding you, if they're not financing you, if they are not fucking you, their opinion does not matter, guys. लोग क्या कहेंगे नहीं matter करता. That is the 3F rule, and that was the takeaway from last week's session. जो once again, Shubham आया. It was Shubham only last time, I think. इसने ही पूछा था last time. नहीं किसी नहीं you had also asked Shubham. हाँ अमोल ने भी पूछा था. तो सारे ट्रोलर्स निकले यार तुम लोग तो. सारे ट्रोलर्स, मीमर्स एंड ऑल. अच्छा मीम्स किस को पसंद है? Who likes memes? मीम्स सबको पसंद है ना? ठीक है, cool. So I oh सबको. Okay, cool. So I have a great project for you guys to do. You guys like memes, no? Cool. हाँ आया कशिश. बनाओ अपने आप पे. नहीं, actually not a bad idea, Kashish. Not a bad idea. Okay. I want you guys until next week का time है. Next week, next session. I can't talk today. The next class जो next week होने वाला है. You guys need to make me a meme. Me a meme. You need to make me a meme. मतलब me as the subject. It can be motivating. It can be funny. Yes, and please do remember subscribe. Did you guys see that video? How many of you saw that video? I'm sorry, this has just become like a trolling session now. I'm so sorry about that. But yes, you guys need to make me into a meme. It could be a positive meme. It could be me roasting myself. It could be me like Drake form में, whatever. However, ये जो 2 lessons हुए हैं, whatever you have taken away from that, उसके हिसाब से meme चाहिए मुझे. और जो best memes रहेंगे, you can directly DM me on Instagram. You can directly DM me on WhatsApp. आप भेज सकते हो, ठीक है? And send me your Instagram handle also. Meme के नीचे जो भी आप भेजोगे, जो भी जितने भी आई एम गोना, या यू कैन यूज माय फोटो, गो फॉर इट. मतलब मेरी शक्ल के बिना मीम कैसे बनाओगे? करो, फुल क्रिएटिविटी है, but it needs to be something positive. It needs to be something positive. No negativity at all. Already done. I can just, मैं कशिश के साथ ना यही बात हुई थी मेरी कल. I was talking to him and I was like, this needs to be, Kashish, I'm unmuting you. You guys just need to hear this conversation and no one can take this idea, by the way, okay? अगर किसी ने भी आइडिया लिया ना, full plagiarism होगा, full केस ठोकेगी मैं मोदी हूँ मैं, listen to this. केस ठोकेगी मैं नहीं. So Kashish and I, we were talking that, you know, there should be some kind of a meme on me where like instead of Oprah it is me and I'm like, more motivation for you, more motivation for you. There needs to be a meme like that. I was just talking about that with him, but no one is stealing that idea. Full creativity I want from you guys. It needs to be something positive and it needs to be something related to the previous class and aaj ka class. It needs to be something related to that.
Kalpanta is like engineering student. Plagiarism से डरने का.
I am trying to I'm trying to not read the comments because I know I will start laughing और ये पूरा class गया फिर. So I am trying not to do that. But yeah, the reason that I'm telling you guys to do this, first of all, I want you guys to explore that. अच्छा, mute कर दो. The reason that I'm telling you this is because again, I want you guys to deal with that whole self-love wala aspect, the whole positivity, the whole motivation wala aspect. I want to get your brain juices flowing and I want to see what you guys can create. And since आप सबको memes पसंद है, तो क्यों नहीं? Let's incorporate memes into that and let's do it. Yeah, does that sound good? Thumbs up दे दो मुझे कोई तो. Awesome, awesome. Full creativity. You guys can use whatever pictures of mine you want to use. Facebook पे है, Instagram पे भी है, चुरा लो, Google पे भी है, चुरा लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है? Go for it. I want this next week. मेरे को चाहिए by the end, by Monday next week, basically, is what I want this done. ठीक है? Do not forget to send me your Instagram handles. जो 3 मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे, I am gonna put them on my Instagram और मैं टैग करूँगी. ठीक है? यार ये चैट बॉक्स ना कैसे बंद करते हैं इसको? कैसे बंद करते हैं इसको?
मिलते हैं.
बाय, सी यू मनोज.
मैं हूँ, जब तक मीटिंग है तब तक तो हुई मैं, टेंशन मत.
अच्छा, you said मिलते हैं, so I was like, I thought you're leaving. Okay, regarding today's lesson, what we learned today, what I spoke about, I want to know your thoughts. Any thoughts, anything that you want to say, I want to know your thoughts. Type karo, unmute karo, whatever you feel, but I want to know your thoughts. हाँ, एक ही मीम भेज सकते हैं. 1 entry per person. यार बताओ guys, like any questions regarding today, any questions, anything whatsoever, पूछ लो. I'm here to answer your questions. वैसे भी we only have 8 minutes. Thank you, Sheena. You're so sweet. Thank you. हिमांगी, नहीं, मुझे कभी तो क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि स्ट्रगल अ लॉट इन योर लाइफ, तो कभी जो हुआ है लाइफ में सोच के कभी बुरा लगा है? नहीं, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली गाइस ये बात सोच लो कि अपने लाइफ में ना, थिंक ऑफ लाइफ एज अ चेन. ठीक है? एक साइकिल की जो चेन होती है उसमें ऐसे इंटरकनेक्टेड लिंक्स होते हैं, राइट? ऐसे लिंक्स होते हैं, देर इंटरकनेक्टेड. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? Your past is connected to your present. Your present is connected to your future. We ultimately, this is kind of crazy and this is not like related to this topic at all. We are in control of our future. People don't want to believe in this, but we are in control of our future. You have your own decisions to make. You make your own decisions. Destiny आप बनाते हो. तो नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता. I don't feel bad about what happened to me at all. Because जो भी हुआ है, I am here in front of you guys because of whatever's happened to me. I don't regret it. Why should I regret any experience? Regretting that or feeling bad about it is me regretting who I am as a person. Whatever I've achieved until now. तो मैं उसको क्यों regret करूं? I worked hard to be where I am right now. Why should I regret that? So कभी भी यार बुरा ना लगाओ at all. Okay. बहुत सारे questions. Okay, cool. Any wisdom from your life lesson which is worth for life? The 3F rule is the biggest thing, man. I'm telling you that those 3Fs ना मतलब मेरे life के में जो clarity लाया है ना, I'm not even joking. जो clarity लाया मेरे life में, it is on a different level. How will we grow if we say no to uncomfortable situations? Uncomfortable is a different story, and some saying no where you are just like you are not feeling good about a particular situation at all, different story. You need to weigh the pros and cons. That is very important. I am going to say, yeah, step out of your comfort zone. That is definitely needed. But when a feeling आ जाती है, when you're wanting to step out of your comfort zone, ना वो butterflies आ जाते हैं पेट में, वो थोड़ी सी nervousness होती है. It is that good kind of anxiety a little bit. But when it's a really uncomfortable situation, you're just not having a good feeling. Like you feel sick to your stomach. You just feel that something or the other is wrong. कुछ ना कुछ तो हो रहा है life में. You don't want to do it. Two different situations. आफरीन, मैं आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ पाई एक्चुअली. What do you say to yourself when you're feeling bichara? For myself, honestly, I feel like for 2-3 minutes now I feel like हाँ यार हूँ मैं बिचारी types, and then I'm like, no man, I am Virali effing Modi. I have no reason to feel bichara at all. And that is what I want you guys to say to yourselves every single time. There is a reason why you are on this earth. You are important for a reason. जब तक आप खुद को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दोगे तब तक ना दुनिया भी लाइक बेचारा बेचारी ही करती रहेगी. सो फक देम, फक दैट. खुद को इम्पोर्टेंस दो एंड जस्ट बी लाइक हाँ आई एम शुभम जोशी और आई एम ऋषिका हिरानी और आई एम कशिश आहिर I can't even say your surname. I'm not even gonna try. I am Gunjan Soni. Like I am who I am. यार मैं हूँ. Like अपने लाइफ में ना खुद को किंग क्वीन बना लो. किसी किंग और क्वीन की जरूरत नहीं है. और हेलो, I am coming with my own throne, so I am allowed to say that. I have my own throne. So खुद की मतलब like ऐसा रखो थोड़ा सा यार. Okay. Yeah, creating a happy morning ritual. Shubham totally agreed with that. कैसे मेडिटेशन को कंटिन्यूअसली करे, ब्रेक हो जाता है बीच में. See, that is where self-discipline comes in. That is where self-discipline comes in. You need to have some kind of a routine. एक ना एक तरीके से routine होनी चाहिए लाइफ में. where you can continue this. मतलब set a time कि अच्छा नहीं मुझे सुबह 5 बजे उठना ही है, 10 मिनट मेडिटेट करके चलो ठीक है मैं वापस सो जाऊंगी. But do it. My friends have done that. Yeah, I can see Shubham's face and he's like making all these weird faces. And my friends actually do that, even though I don't recommend it. I do not recommend it. But karte हैं लोग, करते हैं. So it is just something that you need to determine what to do and what's good for yourself. But करो यार, सोने से पहले ही कर लो ना मेडिटेशन. किसने मना किया है? सोना ही तो है, सोने से पहले कर लो. Self love is important, but sometimes it is like there are some people who are toxic, but we cannot avoid them because they are a huge part of life and cannot avoid them. How to deal with that? यार listen, इसमें भी एक बहुत बड़ी सी कहानी है. We unfortunately don't have the time. I'll make it fat. My Sagi Masi, she was harassing my mother. She's harassing my mother at one point of time. And she's elder. She's like 15 years elder to her, she was. And I was just like, boss, बहुत हो गया, मैं नहीं देख सकती. मैंने उनको फोन करके मैंने उनको सुना दिया. I yelled at her for what she was doing. Of course, she yelled at me, whatever, that doesn't matter. I cut her out of my life. And I told my mom, I'm sorry, I cut her out of my life. मेरे को vibe नहीं मिल रहा है. I am not gelling with the vibe. I am not entertaining this person. I'm sorry. ये मेरा असूल है, ये मेरा किस्सा है. I am not gonna do it. आप कितना भी फोर्स कर लो. आप जिद्दी हो तो मैं भी जिद्दी हूँ, मैं नहीं करने वाली. If it does not sit well with me, I am not gonna do it. ब्रो, टॉक्सिसिटी ना लाइफ से रिमूव किया है, उसको वेलकम नहीं करना है मुझे लाइफ में. मेरी लाइफ काफी पीसफुल हो चुकी है जब से I've removed toxic people. And that is the one thing, if you really want happiness and if you really want to love yourself, remove toxic people from your life. Thank you guys, thank you. यार बहुत सारे questions है, बहुत सारे questions है. I unfortunately won't be able to answer them. I just want to give a quick heads up guys कि आज interactive session नहीं होने वाला है unfortunately. I'm sorry, उदास चेहरे मत बनाओ. I'm sorry. The thing is, I actually have an Instagram live right now आधे घंटे में. कल सुबह I have to wake up at 4 in the morning for shoots all day. So आज like Instagram live करके मैं फटफट सोने वाली हूँ. Where I'm dead tired. I have been working since 5 in the morning. So आज I'm so sorry, but आज interactive session. This is what happens when you are on Zoom calls all day. You cannot talk anymore. मतलब ना जान खत्म हो जाती है. In a good way. Yeah, there you go, Vijay. Subscribe. Yeah, Session. Guys, बस ना मीम बनाने को बोला है या अभी से मीम बना, और यही मीम बनने वाला है. I am pretty sure about this now. Okay guys, okay. हाँ यार, एक सेल्फी तो ऑब्वियसली बनता है. मैं थोड़ी ना जाने वाली हूँ. You know Photoshop यार, मैंने क्यों बोला मतलब बोलते ना अपनी पैर पे क्या बोलते, कुल्हाड़ी मारना. हाँ, मैंने वही कर दिया अभी. It's okay. You reap the benefits of whatever it is. Okay यार, फट सारे कैमरा चालू कर दो. चलो फट एकदम. Everyone, camera chalu please. यार अमेरिकन एक्सेंट में झाड़ू क्या? जब तक कैमरा चालू नहीं होगा तब तक अमेरिकन एक्सेंट झाड़ूंगी मैं. Yeah, that typical valley girl type of accent. No, come on guys, like turn on your cameras please. Like you guys aren't listening to me. Turn your cameras on. हाँ, मोदी हिंदी में बात करती है, इंटरनेशनल मोदी इंग्लिश में बात करती है. चालू करे कैमरा. ओके ठीक है यार. अब नहीं हो गया. थैंक यू दैट एक्सेंट इज बचपन वाला एक्सेंट एंड दैट वाज वैली गर्ल. तो इट वाज वियर्ड. अच्छा अभी कोई चैट नहीं भेजेगा. स्क्रीनशॉट लेने वाले हैं. आई वांट यू गाइस टू डू हैशटैग साइन सब करें. मैं नहीं करूंगी बिकॉज स्क्रीनशॉट बट सब करें. रेडी 1 2 3 स्माइल. ओके अगला स्क्रीन हो रहा है. ओके गाइस रेडी. हैशटैग्स 1 2 3 स्माइल गाइस. awesome. great. Okay guys, so that was आज का session. If you guys want to say anything, चालू करें अपने माइक्रोफोन्स. आप बोल सकते हैं. I will give you 5 minutes and then कल्टी. किसी को नहीं बोलना है कुछ. Everyone is speechless. Is this like a standing ovation virtually?
Hi.
Yes.
Hello.
Like this was my first session. I never expected it to be like this. Like मैं even आपके group में भी नहीं हूँ. I just joined it because वो जो आत्मनिर्भर अगस्त का group था उसमें आया था. I was like let's see क्या है. So I just joined it. I loved it. I literally loved it.
I'm so glad. I am so glad. That makes me so happy. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for joining, Rishika. Thank you. Yeah, please आ जाओ next session के लिए भी. I didn't say
Sure.
session this time. I said session. Yes. Cool. Thank you so much.
Virali,
यार.
you are too much fans, यार.
कौन बोल रहा है? Fans.
मनोज बोल रहा है. मनोज.
हाँ मनोज बोल रहा है. यार ऐसे ना पता है नाम बोला करो कि कौन बोल रहा है तो मैं इजीली ढूंढ पाऊँ.
फैन फॉलोइंग.
आप आवाज पहचान लो यार.
हाँ आ जाओ. थैंक यू. बहुत सही. थैंक यू गाइस. थैंक यू. Okay. So yeah, any feedback, anything, you can personally message me. कर लो WhatsApp. Group तो यार I'm not opening up for interactive session. आज में खत्म हो गई मेरी हालत आज. Yeah, I love you too guys. Love all of you so much. You guys are like, I know पता है वो कैसी वाली फीलिंग आती है मुझे तुम लोग को देखती हो ना. वो प्राउड वाला फीलिंग आता है. लाइक मेरे बच्चे ऐसा फीलिंग आता है मुझे for some reason. I'm so sorry. I hype you up. Oh, thank you guys hype me up. See, this is what I mean by energy exchange. मैं आपको hype कर रही हूँ, आप मुझे hype कर रहे हो. साइकिल है. मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे. Okay, see, this is what happens when I have been awake since 5 in the morning, or like मेरा दिमाग में चलता नहीं है after some time, तो मैं थोड़ा सा कल्टी मारती हूँ अभी. Otherwise it's gonna get really weird. और आप लोगों को और meme content नहीं देना चाहिए मुझे. Sounds good. Same situation. Awesome. हाँ, thank you Shubham for reminding me. Selfless plugin right here. Follow करो Instagram पे यार. Virali01. सिंपल है. Virali01 में ग्रुप में डाल दूंगी एक बार वापस. Virali01 on Instagram. फॉलो कर दो. Great. हाँ कर दो फॉलो. Awesome. हाँ और जितने भी मीम्स हैं Instagram पे मत भेजो. Do not post them anywhere. Send them to me on WhatsApp. Cool. Great. Okay. चलो अभी टाटा बाय बाय. See ya guys. Love you all. Shine bright, yeah. Keep dreaming and have a fantastic weekend. और मेरे को फाड़ू मीम्स चाहिए, मैं बता रही हूँ अभी से. फाड़ू मीम्स चाहिए मेरे को. Rock on, guys. See ya. Insta live अभी 8:30 बजे. By the way, एक बहुत ना फाड़ू सा इवेंट आ रहा है कल. बहुत किक एस इवेंट आने वाला है. We're going to be talking about that on Insta live. आ जाओ, join कर लो. Let's have a good time. I will see you guys there. Bye. Love you all. See ya. मेरे बच्चे. Bye.